Hi guys. Thank you for joining me again. In this video, I want to tell you 4 effects you can create using masking. They are definitely beautiful effects and you can use them all. Sorry, the video is a little long. Please be with me until the end of the video and support me with your good energy. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's go. First, using the rectangle tool. I draw the middle line and change it to the color I want. I create a mask for it and set the mask feather to 0. Then I change it to the original size of the shape. In the frame of your choice, set the mask path keyframe. I go to the beginning of my clip to start the animation and make the mask small enough to make my shape disappear. I select another frame and type my first text and change its color as desired. I also change the font and size as desired. I do the same for the second text. I select a frame for my text. As you can see, I change its position and set a keyframe for it. In the next few frames, I will return it to its previous place. I do the same for my second text. I go to the first frame I set for my text, create a mask and change it to the desired size so that my text is inside. For the mask path, I set the keyframe. And I go to the next frame that I selected before and put the mask in the place of the text so that my text can be seen. I do the same for the second text. I select another frame for my midline and set a keyframe for position, scale, and rotation. A few frames later, I change their values like this. In the same frame for the first text, I set the keyframe for the position. A few frames later, I bring my text down the line. In the frame where I set the keyframe for its position, I also set the keyframe for the mask path. And in the last frame, I change the location of the mask to the top of the line so that my text disappears. I do the same for the second text. After that, I select another frame for the end of the animation, and in it, I first set the middle line of the keyframe for the mask path. And a few frames later, I change the mask to a point where the line disappears. First of all, select the appropriate frame and type your own text. I rotate the text slightly so that it is in the direction of the boat. Resize the text to your liking. Then change the text to the size of your clip time. Click on the toggle animation for position in the appropriate frame. After that, you have to change the location of your text in the appropriate frames. This is how it was for me. I tried. Keep it up. Then create a mask in the first frame. Using the pen tool, draw it the size of a boat. Then invert your mask. Then set a keyframe for the mask path and change the location of your mask to fit the boat. Then in the library effect, search for Wave Warp, drag and drop your text procedure. You can change the settings like me or as you wish. Then I hit enter to render my effect. Very well. For screen reflection effect. First, place a clip of a page on top of your original clip. Place them of equal length in the timeline. I shrink the clip I have from the screen so that it is on the glass of the glasses. After that, we draw a mask for the second clip to be exactly on the glass of the glasses. Then, set the opacity value between 20 and 40. And change the blend mode to linear dodge at. Then set the keyframe for the mask path in the first frame. And fix it wherever in the clip the mask moves from its place. Then change the mask feather to 30. Very well. Color correction. There are several ways to correct the color. But sometimes the background light is too bright. This is difficult. I want to tell you a method of using masking that you always use. First of all, see what happens if you want to create a color correction without that method. The background is overexposed and this is annoying. Well, let's do it in a better way. In the Effect library, search for Lumetri Color. Now in the Control Effect section and Lumetri Color Effect, draw a mask the size of the face or wherever you want the color to be better. Now you can make changes from the basic correction and exposures section. See with effect and without effect. Change the exposure value to reach the value that is best for you. Then just press the play button in the mask and mask path to let Premiere do its job. Alright, thank you for being with me.